Smart liposuction, also known as laser liposuction, is a cosmetic procedure in which unwanted areas of fat are melted and suctioned out. There are so many advantages of having laser liposuction over traditional liposuction. The major advantage is the safety profile. Traditional liposuction has been falling out of favor in the last several years due to some of the complications that have been reported in the literature, such as blood clots, bleeding, and infection. The safety profile of laser liposuction, because it is a less traumatic procedure, is much more favorable than traditional liposuction. You do not want to have to worry about life-threatening complications when you're coming in for an elective aesthetic procedure. Another one of the advantages of Smart Lipo is the downtime. It's significantly less than traditional liposuction. And the third advantage of Smart Lipo over traditional is the results. You tend to get smoother, more even results using the laser liposuction over traditional liposuction. The typical Smart Lipo client is usually a woman in her late 30s, early 40s, who is really doing everything right. She's exercising, she's eating right, but she has these stubborn areas of fat that no matter what she does, she can't get rid of. This can tend to make the patient less motivated to work out and diet when they see those same stubborn areas not going anywhere. So laser liposuction can really act as a catalyst for these women in their lives, and that they can get rid of these unwanted areas of fat that exercise and diet is not touching. And then it kind of acts, like I said before, as a catalyst. So they actually end up working out more and continuing to take good care of themselves. Really can create an entire inner and outer transformation. The procedure is performed under local sedation in our office, the same place where you actually had your consult. There are 3 stages to the procedure. The first stage, I go in and I numb up the areas of unwanted fat with lidocaine. The second part of the procedure, I go in with the laser, and this is what differentiates Smart Lipo from other types of liposuction. I go in and I melt the fat, and the laser at the same time tightens the skin. After this part is done, I go in, and this is my favorite part, I actually suction the fat out. You actually leave with fat in a canister. The recovery time varies. Typically it's 1 to 2 days, maybe 1 day per area treated. The typical client will have about 2 to 3 areas treated, so the typical client needs about 2 to 3 days of downtime. This is variable. I've had some patients that take a little more to recover. I've had some patients that bounce back in 24 hours. My Thursday and Friday slots fill up very quickly because people can have the procedure done on a Thursday and Friday, use the weekend to recover, and go right back to work. You do need to wear a compression garment for a month after the procedure. Smart Lipo cost varies based on the areas treated. It typically is about $19.99 to $2,600 per area treated. We do some discounts for BMIs less than 23, BMI meaning the body mass index. I'm a board certified anesthesiologist, so you can be assured that your procedure is going to be 100% safe and comfortable. And my results speak for themselves. Please check them out at www.smartliporaleigh.com.